Welcome to our roundup of the best smart toilets you can buy right now. If you are planning to upgrade your bathroom with modern comfort, advanced hygiene, and luxury-level convenience, then you are in the right place. Today, we are counting down some of the most impressive smart toilets that combine sleek design, automatic flushing, heated seating, bidet functionality, and hands-free operation into one smart package. Whether you want a premium bathroom experience or simply a cleaner and more comfortable setup for everyday use, these smart toilets are built to completely transform your routine. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest deals and pricing on all the models featured in today's video. Now, let's get started with the best smart toilets available right now. The first on the list is the Canist Smart Toilet. Featuring automatic flush, heated seat, and built-in bidet, this smart toilet delivers a modern bathroom experience that feels both luxurious and practical. Designed with a sleek one-piece construction, the Canist Smart Toilet instantly upgrades the look of any bathroom while also improving hygiene and convenience. The automatic lid opening and flushing system create a completely hands-free experience, making everyday use more sanitary and effortless. For anyone looking to reduce touch points in the bathroom, this feature alone can make a huge difference. One of the standout features here is the built-in bidet system. It offers adjustable water pressure and multiple cleaning modes for a customized experience. The warm air dryer helps reduce the need for toilet paper, while the heated seat keeps things comfortable during colder mornings. There is also a deodorizing system built in, helping the bathroom stay fresh after every use. Combined with its quiet operation and user-friendly remote control, this smart toilet feels premium from every angle. Performance is equally impressive. The powerful flushing system is designed to prevent clogs while using water efficiently. The ceramic surface resists stains and makes cleaning much easier compared to standard toilets. Overall, the Canist Smart Toilet is an excellent option for anyone who wants premium smart features at a competitive value. It combines comfort, cleanliness, and convenience into one stylish package that makes daily bathroom routines feel far more advanced and enjoyable. Next up is the Eplo Luxury Smart Toilet. Equipped with foot sensor operation, warm water cleaning, and automatic lid opening, this model is designed to bring a true luxury bathroom experience into your home. From the moment you approach it, the smart sensors automatically lift the lid for a fully touch-free experience. That level of convenience not only feels futuristic, but also improves hygiene significantly. The Eplo Luxury Smart Toilet shines when it comes to comfort features. The heated seat offers multiple temperature settings, allowing users to customize warmth depending on the season. The bidet cleaning system includes adjustable water pressure and temperature controls, giving users a highly personalized experience. There is also a warm air dryer that helps eliminate the need for excessive toilet paper usage, making it both comfortable and eco-friendly. Overall, the Eplo Luxury Smart Toilet is perfect for users who want a fully loaded smart toilet experience with premium comfort, modern aesthetics, and advanced hands-free functionality that genuinely improves daily life. Next, we have the Woodbridge Smart Toilet. Coming with dual flush system, heated seat comfort, and self-cleaning bidet, this smart toilet blends advanced functionality with dependable everyday performance. Woodbridge has built a strong reputation in the bathroom fixture market, and this model clearly shows why it continues to be a popular choice among homeowners. The first thing many users notice is the elegant and minimalist design. The smooth one-piece construction gives the bathroom a much cleaner and more sophisticated appearance. Beyond looks, the toilet is designed for comfort. The heated seat includes adjustable temperature settings, while the bidet system offers multiple wash modes for front and rear cleansing. Water temperature and pressure can also be customized, allowing every user to create their preferred setup. The flushing system is powerful yet efficient. The dual flush mechanism helps conserve water without sacrificing cleaning performance, making it practical for daily use. The automatic flushing feature also works reliably, helping users maintain better hygiene with less effort. Another impressive feature is the self-cleaning nozzle system, which sanitizes itself automatically to ensure cleaner operation over time. Overall, the Woodbridge Smart Toilet offers an outstanding mix of smart features, elegant styling, and reliable performance. It's a fantastic option for homeowners looking to upgrade their bathroom with a smart toilet that feels premium without becoming overly complicated. Coming up next is the Horo T38 Artistic Smart Toilet. Featuring compact design, auto-open lid, and instant warm water, this smart toilet delivers luxury-level convenience while maintaining a stylish and space-saving design. Horo has created a model that feels both futuristic and practical, making it especially appealing for modern homes and apartments. One of the biggest highlights of the T38 is its artistic appearance. The curved body design and sleek profile give it a very high-end look that instantly upgrades bathroom aesthetics. Despite its compact shape, it still includes a wide range of advanced features. The auto-open and close lid function create a touch-free experience that feels smooth and responsive every time you approach the toilet. The instant warm water bidet system is another standout feature. Unlike systems that rely on limited warm water tanks, this setup provides continuous warm water for a more comfortable and consistent cleaning experience. Adjustable spray settings, water pressure controls, and multiple wash modes allow users to personalize every detail. The heated seat and warm air dryer add even more comfort, especially during colder seasons. Overall, the Horo T38 Artistic Smart Toilet combines elegant design, advanced smart features, and impressive comfort into one highly modern package. It's an excellent choice for users who want premium functionality without sacrificing bathroom space or style. The last one on our list is the Woodbridge B0960 Auto Flush Toilet. Packed with automatic flushing, luxury heated seat, and advanced bidet cleaning, this smart toilet delivers one of the most complete premium bathroom experiences on the market. From its sleek modern appearance to its intelligent features, everything about this model feels designed for comfort and convenience. The automatic flushing system works quickly and accurately, reducing the need for manual operation and helping maintain better hygiene. The seat heating system offers adjustable temperature settings, creating a far more comfortable experience during everyday use. Overall, the Woodbridge B0960 Auto Flush Toilet is an exceptional choice for anyone wanting top-tier comfort, modern automation, and reliable smart performance in one elegant package. It combines luxury, hygiene, and convenience at a level that can completely transform your bathroom experience. So that wraps up our picks for the best smart toilets available right now. If this video helped you narrow down your choice, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful reviews and buying guides. You can find links to all the products mentioned in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.